Hello friends, myself Shraddha and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about beginners makeup tutorial step by step. So I will be showing you how to create this look. So if you are interested, please watch this video till the end. And so if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the button just next to it so that you will get the notification whenever I post a new video. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share and comments on my channel. It will give you motivation to build more videos. So without further talking, let's get started.
The very first step is to moisturize your face. So I'm going to moisturize with the help of my daily use moisturizer, that is Nivea Soft Light. So I will moisturize my face in circular motion as you can see in video. Second thing, I'll moisturize my lips too. So I'm using Nivea lip balm. So moisturizing your lips and face is very important, so never skip this. Next I will use primer, that is from Inside 3-in-1. So I will take a very small amount, that is almost a pea size. You can see it is a silicone based primer, so it's create a smooth layer between our skin and the makeup products. So it's very important to prime your face before doing or applying any makeup. So I have a combination to oily skin in mid of that, so I'll apply firstly on my T-zone and then I will dab it over to the rest part of my face. I'll also prime my eyelids, around the nose and around the lip corner. So I'm done with the primer. Next one I am using Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade Warm Nude. So with the help of beauty blender, I'll be doing the blending part. First I'll make the dot all over my face, and also don't forget about your neck. So dab it some foundation over there and then blend it with beauty blender. If you are a beginner, then you have to get a beauty blender. You can also blend it with your hands, your clean fingers, but I'll suggest the beauty blender because it's provides a good blending. So as you can see, okay, so never do the foundation blending in a swipe motion. Always dab it to your skin. So here I have completed my blending. Now I am using Swiss Beauty concealer. I'll conceal here my dark circles. Also I will use it on eyelids and my top of nose, chin and some areas of forehead, and where I have some dark spots and blemishes. So again I'll use that same beauty blender and will blend it properly. So always take a concealer one shade lighter to your skin tone. So it's done now. Next one I am taking Fit Me compact powder to pack my all cream based product on my skin, that is foundation and concealer. So first I'll pack my eye base, that is a concealer. It's very important to conceal your eyelids so that your whatever eyeshadow you use, it will come out, it will pop out. So with the help of another brush, I will just pack my foundation with compact. For eye look, I'm taking the lightest shade from the Swiss Beauty palette. So I'm going to apply over the top of my crease and will apply in swipe and forth and back motion. So I will start from the outer edge and will blend it over to the inner edge. Secondly, I will take the more darker shades from the previous and will again blend it from the outer, and then will do the circular motion and blend it to the inner edges and over to my eyelids too. Always take less product and then build it to the level of pigmentation you want. So here is my eye makeup done. Next one I'm taking with my fingers. Yes, I'm using, because this is a shimmery eyeshadow, so I'm taking it with my finger and will just apply on my eyelid and will blend it with fingers only. With fingers it's easy to blend, so yeah. So this looks so nice, and again I'm blending it with my finger. So now I will use the black shade because I want to create a smoky look. So I'll just deposit the pigment on my outer edge and then I will blend to the inner edge of the eye. So just swipe and back and forth motion I will use and will blend it. Yeah, so it's done and it's like look quite good. So I'll do with another eye too. So for my eyebrows, I will just use the spoolie to first comb and give the shape. Here my eyebrows are not defined because, as you know, lockdown, so no parlors are open. So yeah, so I'm just trying to give the shape. I'm using ADS pencil in the dark brown shade. So I will just fill the nulls and will try to give a good shape to my eyebrow. So as you can see now the difference. Same thing I am doing with the another brow. So yeah, I'm using here Blue Heaven eyeliner. So I will make a very thin eyeliner on my eyes and try to give a good wing liner. Same with another eye. So I'm done. Next thing I'm putting kajal and tightening my waterline. And post that I will use a smudger brush to smudge the kajal because I like that effect more than just applying a single, oh shit, but it's okay, I will wipe it off. So just smudge the kajal. And by the way, while doing eye makeup I forgot to apply mascara, but at the end I have applied, so you don't forget, apply that. And here I am completing with compact powder. Last one I am applying a Swiss Beauty metallic liquid eyeshadow. So I will just apply, it will give a good effect. So yeah, you can just apply it, it's a very good eyeshadow. So with the help of hand, I'll just blend it. So you can see now the eye makeup is done and it looks so good. For the bronzer part, I am just using the Swiss Beauty palette again and will bronze my face by making pout shape. I will just blend it, as you can see in the screen. I will apply on my forehead too because it's too big. So very little bronzing over there, and also on the double chin part. So next one is blush, which I like the most in the makeup. So I'll put it first, I will deposit and then will blend. We'll blend in circular motion and then we'll go on the top. Now I'm defining my lips with a Swiss Beauty lip liner. And we'll fill the lips with color Masquerade from the In Color shades. Shade is Masquerade actually. So it's a very beautiful shade. I will also link it in my going screen so that you can see from where I bought and what color it is. Now I'm using the highlighter part, that is from Ronzel, and I'm using the copper one. So it's very pigmented. So I'll use on my high points, that is around the cheekbone, on my tip of the nose, and also on my chin areas. The best part of this makeup is highlighter and the blush. Personally, I love these two things. After applying highlighter, your face is like, wow. Yeah, so lastly, I'm just blending everything. So this is the makeup which I have done, and lastly I am just defining the inner eyes with some highlighter, and yeah, this is the final look. So if you like this look, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you will be back on my channel for more videos. So stay tuned and bye bye till the next video.